Hi guys, today we are doing a rump steak on our Weber Kettle Braai. Come, we will need our rump steak, put some olive oil, some Braai Seasoning, Alright guys, we're going to lay our meat on the fire. As you can see, our temperature is nice, about 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideally you want it to be between 450 to 500. It will come down when we lay the meat. And as always, we start by oiling the meat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the meat on one side, then after 5 minutes I'll flip it and put it on the other side. This is so that I will always have a fresh and hot side of the grill. Let's see how it goes. The Sizzle. There we go. We're going to give it 5 minutes and then we'll flip it over and see how it goes. Shout out to everyone who is liking, commenting on Facebook, on YouTube, telling us what you think, what you like, and also suggest what you'd like us to try in the future videos that we are making. Cheers. Alright guys, the proof of the steak is in the cutting. So let's see how it's looking after our resting time. I've allowed it about 40% of the time, which is 4 to 5 minutes for resting. Let's see how it's looking now. Ooh, look at that. Look on our sausage as well. Just see how it came out. Remember this, the sausage should always be nice and juicy.